Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video I'm going to show you how to save and find the news on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen you can see options like new mail, home, receipts and subscriptions. Tap on home. There you're gonna find news and with categories like top stories, elections, entertainment, sports, business, etc. Select one of the categories. Now look for the news that you want to save. Once you find the news, right below the topic you're gonna see the time the news had been posted, a saved icon and share icon. Go ahead and tap on the save icon. Now to find that saved news, you're gonna have to go ahead and stay on home. Then on the top right corner, you're gonna find two icons there, saved and search. Select the saved icon and you're gonna find the news that you previously saved right there. And guys, that's it. That's how you save and find the news on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.